Hello friends, once again welcome to RES. Today we are going to learn the second lesson of class 10th. Its name is The Thief's Story. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Title showing itself that this story is written by a thief and the thief is the narrator also. Let's begin the story. I was still a thief when I met Anil. And though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Here I have circled I. This I is for thief. Means thief is a narrator and he is telling the story to us. The narrator means the thief was only 15 years old, when he met to Anil. And what did he say? That I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Successful hand means to be the master of any particular action. Actually, he was a thief and he wanted to rob to Anil. Here, Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. Here, approach means meet. When Anil was watching wrestling match, that time I met him. He was about 25. This is actually a kind of introduction of Anil. He was 25 years old, near about, a tall, lean enough for my purpose. Lean means thin. My purpose, here purpose means actually thief wanted to rob him. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Actually, before that, my luck didn't help me. And this time I wanted to try this. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery help in making friends. You have idea that whenever we want to make friendship with others, that time we little bit use flattery. Flattery means insincere praise, means lie. To make a friend with to make friendship with someone, we use flattery. So I just said him that you are looking just like a wrestler. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Actually, when he said me that also you are also looking just like a wrestler, that time it hurt me because I was very thin at that time. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. Actually, I was lying, he had no idea. So I started continuing that and I said, yes, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? He asked me my name. I told that time that my name is Hari Singh. I lied, means thief once again lied with Anil that his name was Hari Singh. Because that thief had habit to change his name every time, every month. That kept me ahead for the police and my former employers. He was thief, he had habit to rob people. That's why to keep himself safe, every month he used to change his name. This time he told his name Hari Singh. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestler who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Because Anil was interested in wrestling, he had idea about wrestling, so he started telling me about oil wrestler. Do you know why wrestler oil their body? Because nobody should keep or nobody should hold their body in their arms. So they want their body slippery. So Anil started telling about wrestling, but thief had no idea what is wrestling and how to do and what are the particular rules of that. So thief didn't talk anything. So Anil walked away, means he left that place and I followed casually. Thief also started following him. Hello again, he said. He said to me, hello. I gave him most appealing smile. You can see most appealing. Appealing means attention, means attractive smile. I want to work for you, I said. I said him that I want to work for you, but I can't pay you. He said me that okay, you can work for me, but I cannot give you salary. I thought that over for a minute. I started thinking that have I done a mistake? Perhaps I had misjudged my man. Misjudged means wrong opinion. I thought that this time a person which I have selected to rob is not a rich person. This time thief was little bit confused that he thought that can he give me money or not. So I asked, can you feed me? Means thief asked to Anil that can he feed me? Can you cook? Anil asked me that can I cook? I said yes, I can cook. Once again I lied. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He said me that if you can cook, you can work for me and you can come with me at my home. He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Actually, you have idea that veranda. Anil was not so rich person. That's why when I went to his room, when I went to his house, that time he asked me to sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. Actually, when I made first time cooking, I did cooking first time. That time Anil gave that food to the stray dog. You can understand that how terrible means how bad cooking I did that time, and he asked me to go away. He said me, now you can go because you lied, you cannot cook for me. But I just hung around. Hung around means to stay near a place or a person. Okay? When I was there near to him, he asked me to go. But when he came to know that I will not go, once again I smiled a most appealing way. That time he started laughing. And later he patted me. Patted means a quick light touch with the hand. He patted me on the head and said never mind. He would teach me to cook. Anil started telling me that now okay, no problem, you cannot cook, I will cook you. I will teach you how to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. Grateful means thankful because Anil started teaching me to write sentences also. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. You have idea, educated person can do anything. So it was a good thing, it was a great opportunity for a thief to learn something from Anil. So the thief was thankful for Anil. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. Means it was good thing for thief to work for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. You have idea, whenever our mother or our father ask us to go to purchase some household thing or domestic thing for our house, that time we add some money, okay, and we keep this money in our pocket. We don't tell to them, we don't tell our guardians, we don't tell our parents that the amount was not so much, okay. So in this way thief started stealing some money. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Actually, according to me, that I was stealing some money regularly, but I think Anil had idea about my work, about my stealing, but he did not seem to mind. Did not seem to mind means he didn't annoy on me. Anil made money by fits and starts. This is a kind of phrase. Fits and starts means in short irregular intervals. Means you have idea that if a person who is a worker is going in a company, he will get payment. But his work was not fixed. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. Actually, his income was not fixed. Means sometimes he used to borrow, and sometimes he used to lend that money, and sometimes he used to be worried about his next check. And when he used to get the next check, he used to celebrate. It seems that he wrote for magazines. Means thief was little bit confused about the profession of Anil. Queer means strange. Actually, it was a strange way of living. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. One day what happened, one evening when he came at home, he had a small bundle of notes, and he told me that today I sold a book, to the publisher, and he got money, and actually he kept that money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, he had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. See here, when thief is telling us about that Anil has sold a book to the publisher, it means now it is confirmed that Anil was a writer. He used to write some articles, so he had lot of trust on me. That's why he had given me key to the door, and now I had lot of opportunities to rob him, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. Actually, if you will rob such a person who is stingy, who is, we can say, greedy person, it is very easy. But he was very careless. See here, because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Assume that you are robbing someone, and he has no idea that you have stolen something, and he has no idea. Then how do you feel? You will feel that your work is worthless, your robbery is worthless. That's why thief didn't like that. Today we will stop here. I will give you some question and answers based on these paragraphs which I have already explained to you. These are some questions. Try to solve this by using this passage. This passage is also in your textbook. If you don't have textbook, there is a passage. Passage 2 is also here, which is in your textbook. If you don't have textbook, I will send a picture of that passage on the group. Try to solve this question and answers with the help of this explanation. Till then, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next lesson, next lecture.